In this video, I'll be showing you how to clear cache on the TikTok app. Very much simple and easy. So hop on your TikTok profile like this. I'm going to show you guys two ways to do this. So hop on your profile like this. Tap on the three dots you see at the top right corner of your screen beside the eye. Good. Tap on that to move to your settings. Scroll to the bottom here. You see cache and cellular data. So under the cache, you can see free app space. Tap on free app space. Good. And then we can clear this. Good. So we have that done. Good. So now let's pause the video and now let's move to the second option. So now let's come back here and move to our devices settings. So this is best for people using Android. After doing that on TikTok, hop on here, move to your apps, and then try to clear the cache from that section too as well. So now let's search apps. Then we hop on the apps on this device. Good. And now let's scroll to TikTok. Good. So now let's open that. Good. We are on TikTok here, and what we are going to do is we move to the storage, just like I showed you guys in other tutorials. To clear a cache, you move to storage rather, and you can see clear cache. If you clear data, you're going to log out your account. We are going to clear cache rather, so tap on clear cache. Good. So our cache has been cleared. That's it on how to clear your cache on your TikTok. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.